What if you could build one bot and it worked on Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, X, Blue Sky, and Reddit, all at the same time? No separate tokens, no app reviews, only one API key. That's live today. Let me show you. Here's the thing. If you've ever tried to build a bot that works across social platforms, you know how painful it gets. You need to apply to Meta's developer program, go through app review, get WhatsApp business verification, or apply for X API access. And then you still have to write completely different code for each platform to integrate it. That's not a product problem. It's a tax on your time, and most teams just don't ship it. Vercel Chat SDK solves the unified interface problem. One SDK to talk to Slack, Discord, whatever. But you still need to handle the social platform authentication and delivery yourself. Until now, we just shipped the Zernio's adapter for Vercel's Chat SDK. Here's what it means in practice. You install two packages, you drop in one adapter, and your bot now handles messages from Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, X, Blue Sky, etc. all through one new message handler. And that's literally it. That handler fires for every platform. You don't write 7 handlers, you only write one. You don't need developer programs, you don't need app reviews, no token juggling. Your users connect their accounts through Zernio's dashboard, and you get one API key for read and write permissions. The adapter handles webhook verification, signature validation, platform-specific formatting for rich messages, and even AI streaming, with full support for cards, buttons, and reactions where each platform allows it. Let me show you something real. We're going to build a bot right now connected to Zernio that responds messages on Instagram and any other platform, and we will deploy it to Vercel. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new folder and open Visual Code on it. Once on Visual Code, I'm going to go to my chat and I'm going to tell to Codex what I want to build, which is a bot with Zernio and Chat SDK. And we set it up. And here it is, the bot all set up with all its files. We have bot.ts, the root, and the only thing we're going to have to change is the environment variables. We have to get our Zernio API key from our Zernio's dashboard and also the Zernio webhook secret when we create our webhook. So let's create our webhook. So what you have to do is you have to deploy your bot in order to get a URL, and like this you will be able to get the URL and create the webhook. So once deployed, you have to go to your webhooks and create a new one. You put a name on it, the URL of the bot once deployed, and you put a secret, which is optional. Very important, on events you have to check on message received and comment received, and you enable this webhook. Now you get on your .env.local file and you put your webhook secret and the API, and that's it. Let's try it out. I'm going to message myself, hi, and as you can see, I got an instant message replying to my message. So to recap, the Zernio's adapter for Vercel's Chat SDK gives you one integration that covers Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, X, Blue Sky, and Reddit. No platform by platform setup, no app review gauntlet, one API key, one handler, every platform. It supports rich messages, webhook signature verification, file attachments, conversation history, and AI streaming. And you can always drop down to the raw API client if you need platform-specific control. The full documentation is linked below, and you can ask us any questions on the comments. I hope you liked the video and it was helpful to you. See you on next video!